Hello guys, today I show you how to create a stroke of shape object in the Photoshop like this example. So to do it, example I create another new task. Uh, this one. So first you go to here and create another shape. Example I create polygon tool. Shift and drag it, and then come up here. The stroke you click on here, and here you select another you want. How many pixels you want? Example 200. Enter. See, you can move this tool. That is the stroke. You can create uh, another stroke or line here. How many you want? 500 example. Or you create uh, another object like rounded. Example here 200 and create a stroke with stroke. Example here. How many pixels you want? 200 example like this. Yeah. Or you can adjust it to 100. That's because stroke. Another circle, ellipse, shift and do it. Click on it. You can change any. Oh, sorry. I change all of this. I just select only this one. Only this and no, only this. And click on this and oh here. Any color you want. Paste the rounded. That's cool. Oh, this link together. I'm sorry. Hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.